In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use block references in Logseq. By the end, you'll know how to reuse a single piece of information across multiple places without copying and pasting, which keeps your notes tidy and consistent. First, go to Logseq and open it up as you normally would. If you're new to the app, think of Logseq as an outline-first notebook where everything is organized into blocks. A block is simply a line or paragraph of text, and it's the building unit we'll reference. Once Logseq is open, head to your journal. The journal is your daily notes page, and it's a convenient place to practice because anything you add here is easy to find later. Click into today's journal so your cursor is ready to type. Now, create a new block by typing a dash and a space, then write Learn Python Basics. In Logseq, starting a line with a dash creates a bullet, which becomes one discrete block. Keep this text short and clear because this will be the source block we reference elsewhere. You can imagine this as the master version of that idea. With that block in place, move to where you want to insert the reference. This could be just below or on another page entirely. Anywhere your cursor is active will work. Type // to open the command menu and start typing block reference. You'll see Logseq filter the commands as you type, which makes it quick to find exactly what you need. Select the block reference command to tell Logseq you want to point to an existing block instead of creating new text. After selecting block reference, a small search prompt appears so you can choose which block to reference. Begin typing Learn Python Basics and you should see the block you just created appear in the results. Choose that block. Logseq will insert a block reference at your cursor, showing the original text with a subtle reference marker. That's it, your reference is live. The beauty here is that the reference text stays in sync. If you update the original Learn Python Basics block in your journal, every place that references it will reflect the change automatically. This prevents duplication, reduces errors, and keeps your notes as a single source of truth. If you hover over the reference, you'll typically see a preview that confirms the link back to the source. Use this workflow whenever you find yourself repeating the same idea across projects or pages. A concise, well-named source block, paired with the block reference command, gives you reusable knowledge that stays accurate everywhere you need it.